No, not him again. He's up for it. I've had a worse day than you. Shouldn't be losing to people in this game. Tried to Tatsu him. That's too obvious. Stabbing me, I think you did! Never surrender! Fucking hell, use the bar. Just take the bar. I gotta win! If he uses the super, I'm in trouble. Gotta stay off him. He's saving that bar. Oh, motherfucker. He waited for that. Completely forgot that was possible. The fuck is this? Should have kicked him. Oh, he knows it's for a start. Well, shit. Doesn't die. Ah! Oh, I didn't get perfected again. Okay, I got one more in me. I don't know. I don't know what to do. Look at my score, man. Look how much I suffered today. Right, this is it. This is the last fight. I don't have time for this shit. I don't have time for losing and donating points to fucking charity. How did this happen to me? Why did I keep getting worse and worse and worse at this game? Oh, it's the same guy again! Hello? Set you up, I fucked it up. Because I didn't think you'd do it from that far away. No, he does it from that far away, even though it's not going to hit. Not gonna reach him. Not gonna reach him. I want to win before I go. Worthless matches. All of them. 74 he gets for that. 74. For sitting on his ass again.